locomotion, locomotion, locomotion. Predators, predators, predators. Disperse, disperse, disperse. Habitats, habitats, habitats. Escape, escape, escape. Competition, competition, competition. Respiration, respiration, respiration. Adaptation, adaptation, adaptation.
Hi family member, welcome to yet another day and another video. If you see me for the first time, you're so welcome to the family. We are on a 31 days reading journey. In case you're seeing me for the first time, you're so welcome to the channel. This is what we do here. It's all about English language. Right here we learn how to read, write and speak. So if you're seeing me for the first time, don't make it your last. You can actually join this family simply by subscribing. And if you might be a new subscriber, keep being you, because you guys are just amazing. So without wasting much of our time, as usual, let's dive right into today's video.
Protoplasmic, protoplasmic, protoplasmic. Growths, growths, growths. Crowding, crowding, crowding. Reduce, reduce, reduce. Reproduction, reproduction, reproduction. Danger, danger, danger. Competition, competition, competition. Location, location, location. Sexual, sexual, sexual. Asexual, asexual, asexual. Purpose, purpose, purpose. Organism, organism, organism. Adjusts, adjusts, adjusts. Changes, changes, changes. Various, various, various. Definite, definite, definite. Environment, environment, environment. Manner, manner, manner. Comfortable, comfortable, comfortable. Order, order, order. Survive, survive, survive. Involve, involve, involve. Offspring, offspring, offspring. Another, another, another. Bet, bet, bet. Young, young, young. Individual, individual, individual. Depend, find, defined, defined, living, 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 irreversible, 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 permanent, 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 material, 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 respond, 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 wait, 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 characteristics, 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 addition, addition, addition. All right, so this is the outcome of our today's words pronunciation. So we have this comprehension, and the topic is characteristics of living things. Characteristics of living things. 1. Movement. Movement is defined as the ability of an organism to move its whole body or part of his body from one place to another. Reasons for movement. A. To search for food. B. To escape from predators. 3. To find mates for reproduction. 4. To disperse or reduce competition. E. To avoid danger. F. To find new favorable habitats. Now, number 2, reproduction. Reproduction is defined as the ability of a living organism to give birth to young ones or offspring or individuals of their own kind. Reproduction occurs in 2 forms: sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Adaptation. Adaptation is the ability of living organisms to adjust to changes in their various environments in such a manner that they would be comfortable. Lifespan/death. All living things must die because they have a definite and limited period of existence. Growth. Growth is defined as an irreversible or permanent increase in size, dry mass, or weight of an organism due to the addition of living protoplasmic materials. The purpose of growth is to enable organisms to repair or replace damaged or old tissues in their bodies.
Okay, so this is where we call it short for today's video. In case you're seeing me for the first time, don't make it your last. You can actually join this family simply by subscribing. Keep being you. Don't forget to stay safe, and bye for now.